So I passed the exam, AI-900, Microsoft Azure AI Fundamentals, February 18, 2021. So I took the exam from my office. Um, I I logged into the Microsoft dashboard and then clicked this to start the exam. I recommend doing this instead of clicking that link from the email from Person View. This is what the email from Person View looks like, and the one where you can click the link to check into the exam. This is just a screenshot though. I had an experience in the past uh, using that link and it didn't work, so I recommend using this. When you click Start Online Exam, uh, the check-in process begins. You will be taken to a location that looks like this. Take note of the copy code that they will give you. Then click download. After downloading, run it. After running the app, it will ask you for the code, so make sure you take note of this code. And then it will ask you, I think, for your mobile number. And then it will ask you to get your phone and again enter that code. And then after that, you will have to take a picture of your passport or um, any ID card that has your photo and your signature. In my case, I used my residence card. After taking a photo of your ID, you also have to take a picture of your uh, room, the place where you will take the exam. It has to be clean and quiet. You will be asked to take a picture of all angles. So basically, you need to take 4 pictures: front, back, left, right, and upload it. After uploading, you should see um, something like this. That means you're very close to starting the test. So you will have to put your mobile phone away from you. Like it should not be within arm's reach. If you're using a PC, make sure you have a webcam. Then go back to the laptop or PC that you will use to take the exam. Hit refresh. It will tell you that your ID card and room pictures are all uploaded, and then it will run tests on your system, your laptop. It will test your camera is working, microphone is working, internet speed is okay. Once the proctor complete the check-in process, um, he or she will start loading the test. The proctor might call you and ask you a few questions via the OnView app. They are able to chat with you and call you via that app. There are a few pre-test or pre-exam questions like how good, what is your knowledge level about, the exam that you're taking. Around 6 or 8 questions, and then after that, the real test begins. And the one that I took, AI Fundamentals, it's mostly multiple choice. Some of the questions have 2 answers, some of them have 3 answers. There are questions where you have to drag the answer into boxes, and then when you answer all the questions, um, you can end the test and you can see right away if you pass or fail. You will not receive any email if you pass or if you fail. You will have to go to the Microsoft dashboard and from there you can see the results. There were 55 questions. I only used exam topics to prepare for the exam. Exam topics. I will post the URL in the description. and then from here you can search. And AI-900. Yeah, only 73 questions, so it's easy. Just make sure that you check the discussion. Some of the um, some of the questions or the answers rather are incorrect. So make sure to check the discussion and see the feedback from other test takers. One challenge here with using exam topics is when you click next, it will ask you if you are a robot. And of course, if you're not, you have to click this. I'm not a robot. And then it gives you the next set of questions. And then as you go forward, there will be times when it will not only ask you if you're not a robot, it will also ask you to identify the traffic lights, the bus, the stairs, the hills. So it becomes a challenge if you trying to review. The solution is simple. Just take a screenshot of this and paste it in a Word file. Then take a screenshot of the next one and paste it in the Word file again. That way, you will have your own copy where it doesn't ask you for if you're a robot every time you need to see the next page or the next set of questions. You'll be able to get rid of this. All right, that's my short share for today. I hope you find it useful, and good luck if you're taking the AI fundamentals test. I find it quite easy. I scored 844. So after the exam, you can get the badge from here, the transcript, certificate here, and if you need the score report, you can also get it from here, person view. I had all four. Yeah. So this is my certificate, badge, transcript. It will show all the exams that you took in the past and the score, date, some details here. And this is the score report also that you can get from the dashboard. Actually from person view, because when you click this, it will take you to the person view page, and from there you can get your score report. It will show you your score for each of the categories. So good luck. I hope this video somehow helped you or gave information you need to write the AI fundamental exam.